Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical drawing in SolidWorks 2025. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to select new and select part and select OK. Now you first select plane, which plane do you want to work. Now I am going to select top plane and sketch. Top plane on right plane as you wish. Now I am going to select right plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle. Now draw the corner rectangle from origin. Now select. Now give the dimension. This line dimension. This line dimension 155. Okay. Now this line dimension 10. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now I am going to extrude from mid plane. Now give the below 50. Okay. Now go to extrude. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the slot. Now draw the straight slot here. Select this point, control this point, vertical. Okay. Now give the below this line 25. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude boss. Now go from blind extrude. Now go to select direction 2. Now here give the below. Now give the below here 22.5. Now direction 1 below 22.5. 22.5. Now here select below. Now here select below 12.5. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the slot here. Now here is straight slot. Now go to smart dimension. Select this R. Give the below 10. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now go to blend and select roll. Okay. Now go to plane and sketch. Now I am going to exit. Now go to isometric view. Now go to here, select right plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here, two circle draw. Now give the below circle, this circle below 50 and this circle below 25. Okay. Now this line and this point distance 55.5. Okay. Now go to draw line here, select. Now go to this line vertical. Okay. Now draw line here. Now I am going to select this point, select. Now select here and select this point. Now this line vertical. Now this line and this line distance below 8. Okay. Now I am going to go to normal tool. Now I am going to here below, this line below 145. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now here extrude from mid plane. From mid plane, give the value 10. Okay. Now go to here, select sketch. Now extrude. Now select here. Now give the value 30. Okay. Now go to fillet here. Now select fillet here. Give the value 18. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select plane white. Now go to here color. Now give the color. Okay. Now I am going to hair color. Now hair color select ash color. Now go to this face color. White. Sorry, this face color white. Hair select white. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Okay. Now go to this color, color. Now go to isometric view. Now go to shaded. Now go shaded with this. Make our job. Thank you all, everyone. Share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.